Yo people, so after years of restoration, the cisterns is now open, the Basilica Cisterns. But as you can see, here is a long queue. So if you are visiting here, go online and buy a ticket. And I'm going to do that now and skip this queue, and then I'm going to come back. So when I first entered the cistern, I didn't really know what was going on because it was pitch black and it was really difficult to walk around. I even had to turn on the light on my phone to see where I was going. It's a really old building. It was built in 542 AD, and it's really great to see the architecture. It costs 210 lira for foreigners, and like I mentioned before, buy the ticket online so you can skip the whole queue. And I would suggest getting there early because it was really busy. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. I was here.